my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the Nerf N-strike Jolt. I'm really excited for this one. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, and turn on that notification bell. If you want me to do more unboxing and reviews, then you have to give this video a thumbs up, and that will let me know if you like it or not. So, let's get started. This is the unboxed Nerf Jolt. I love it. It is super compact, super secretive, in case you want to pull a surprise attack against one of your friends, or when you're playing that Nerf war, it's your backup gun. But it is pretty cool. We're going to go downstairs for a test run. So, let's go do that. Here I have 5 shots for the Jolt. I mean, this thing shoots fast and hard. I mean, you can hardly see the bullets. This isn't quite the best setup or the best footage, but I'm going to try my best for you guys. I honestly will. And one more shot. It's pretty clear that this thing has some serious power, but does it have accuracy? There is the target right there. Going to try and get 200. Going to aim as best as possible. Okay, I think that was, I believe it says 90 or 60. My eyesight ain't very well. Shot number 2. I think we hit it, I believe. Shot number 3. Got it. This blaster is really showing itself to be pretty dang good. Shot 4. Ooh. Not quite the best. And the final shot. Ooh. Okay, so pretty good. Range, good. Power, good. Accuracy, it's okay. But that will pretty much do it for this one. Hope you guys have a blessed and amazing day. Yeah, I'll see you later.